Many nurses around the world are making huge personal sacrifices to help fight the COVID-19 pandemic. In many cases, they're also working without the proper personal protective equipment they need to ensure their own safety. So I make this video to appreciate all nurses around the world. Actually, this is my first digital art. This is Pushpa Ramyani De Soysa, Frontline Nursing Officer, NHSL Sri Lanka. It was hard to find a suitable image for the artwork. Finally found this image from the Facebook page from her. Hope you enjoy my digital art. Thanks you for watching and subscribe me for more videos.